The V2 CFAK is the next generation of our popular CFAK pouch. Measuring 5 by 7 inches, it's a great solution for both first aid and everyday carry items. Inside are 2 pockets and 10 elastic loops for organizing gear. While the plainclothes carry pouch could accommodate the soft tourniquet, the CFAK was designed to also hold larger tourniquets, such as the CAT and SAM XT. While designed as an IFAK pouch, it also is a great carry system for standard first aid items and your everyday carry items. The new laser-cut multi-mount on the V2 CFAK accommodates both MOLLE mounting as well as belt mounting in vertical and horizontal directions. A loop strip at the top allows you to attach patches and name tapes, and the laser-cut PALS panel allows you to attach additional items to the pouch. For more information on the new CFAK pouch, check it out at rescue-essentials.com.